Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to your Coinspot. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Coinbase app and then you have to click on this send button from these options. Now on the screen, you have to select the cryptocurrency that you are transferring to your Coinspot app. Now I will just select the Bitcoin from here. Now on the screen, you have to paste the wallet address from your Coinspot app. So just open up your Coinspot app and then click on this wallet options. Now from here you have to select the currency that you are receiving in your Coinspot. So I'm receiving the Bitcoin, so I will just select the Bitcoin from here. Then you will be able to see the similar screen for your cryptocurrency. I have to click on this receive button and then you just have to select the network that you want to use. I will just select Bitcoin and then you will be able to get your address. So just click on this copy button right next to your address and then go back to the Coinbase app and paste the wallet address in this area. After that, click on continue and then just enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on preview. This might show you this warning, so click on continue and then you just have to confirm the wallet address and make sure that network is same in both of your Coinbase and Coinspot app, and also check the amount and then click on send now. And once you do that, your selected cryptocurrency will be transferred from your Coinbase to your Coinspot app. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.